Yes, dear students, now let's start with the exercise part of chapter number 4. First, I'll explain you the exercises of chapter number 4 and 7. Then we will do the exercises of other chapters in the next class. Okay, so let's do the exercise of this lesson number 4, chemicals and chemical changes. So children, first of all, come here, choose the correct options. This is a new book and I am giving exercises in the new book. Okay, because I have already told you that in old book exercises are already filled, because if you have purchased old book, it is of any old student, so exercises we have already filled in that. So let's start with this. First, choose the correct option is elements can be metals and non-metals. Its right answer is C. Which of the following is the chemical formula of hydrochloric acid? In the previous video also I have told you that hydrochloric acid, which is present in our stomach, its formula is HCl. So B option is correct. Third, valency of carbon is, you know that in carbon dioxide formula I have told you that valency of carbon is 4. So D is correct option. And fourth one is, when a substance combine with another to form a new substance, dash changes occurs. So which change occurs? Chemical. Okay, and D option is correct option here. Next, fifth one is, while writing a chemical equation, last topic I have told you that how to write a chemical equation, and in this chemical equation when we write, then A option is correct here. The products and reactants are separated by arrow. You know that when we write any chemical equation, suppose here I'll give you example. This is the chemical equation. So hydrogen add with the oxygen and it will form water molecules, 2 water molecules. And this chemical equation when we write, then these are the reactants, okay, and these are the products. So in between the reactants and products, here we will write arrow. So this they have written in this option A. So A is the correct option. Next, children, give one words. In give one words, you see, what do you get if you mix two compounds that do not react with each other chemically? You know, then if we mix any two things which do not react chemically, means their chemical will not be changed, then what we get? Mixture, simply mixture. Okay, so second is, what is the valency of X if the formula of the compound is XY2? Here children, you understand this question properly. What they are asking? They are asking about the valency of X, this element. Suppose if any element is X, then its formula is given here XY2. So what will be the valency of X? You know that valency, how we find out? In the last video I have already told you that how we find valency, that after the cross putting cross on the valencies. So you know that if any formula is this one, then this 2 has come from X. X is a means 2 is the valency of X, so its answer is 2 only. write the chemical formula of sulfuric acid. So children, sulfuric acid formula is H2SO4. What are the chemically initially involved, what are the chemicals initially involved in a chemical reaction? You know that what are initially involved means जो वो chemical जो किसी chemical reaction में सबसे पहले involve होते हैं. See here in this example I have told you, ये दो chemical सबसे पहले initially ये involve हुए हैं. Okay, so these are called reactants. Okay, and after the arrow, what is this? This is a product. So here they ask about reactants. Okay, so children, this is about the exercise part of chapter number 4.